Remember when we used to clean makeup brushes the old-fashioned way with soap and water? Not anymore. Now we have this. Do you let your makeup brushes get way too dirty? Yeah, me too. Look at this one. It's so gross. Let's clean them today. The brand sent me this makeup brush cleaner and I'm so glad they did. I need it today. I'm going to show you all the pieces that come with it and then I'll show you exactly how to clean your brushes. It's super easy. So the top comes off and it has an included USB charging cord. It's not rechargeable. You need to have it plugged in for it to work. And here's the time that it takes to clean and dry your brushes. And here's where the brushes go. Here's where you put the water and cleaner in. The cleaner goes up to here and the water can go minimum to here and maximum to here. So this is the cleaning area. This is the drying area. It has non-slip feet on the bottom. It also comes with instructions. Don't worry, they're not this long. This is just in different languages. And if you want quick and easy instructions, they're right here. Okay, so we're going to put the cleaner and water in now. This is the cleaner I'm going to use because it also disinfects. So I put the cleaner in and then I'm going to put the water in. And then I'm just going to put my brushes in here and they go upside down. Okay, since this one's pretty dirty, it's my Wicked brush. I'm going to put it in the middle. It says to put the big one in the middle because that helps keep it stable. So I'm just going to put in my other brushes around it. This one's pretty gross. That's what I use for my concealer. I use this one for eyeliner. And I use this one for eyeshadow. And I use this one on my crease for eyeshadow. And I use this tiny one to highlight above my eye and under my eyebrow. It's pretty dirty. I'm going to put the locking lid on and you can adjust the time here. If they're really dirty, you could choose 90 minutes, but I'm going to choose 30. Look at that. While this is doing all the work, let me tell you why I love it. It uses gentle sonic cleaning to lift away makeup, oil, and buildup without being rough on the bristles. So my brushes stay soft and fluffy. It can clean up to 7 brushes at once, and when it's done, you simply flip them over into the drying side. No taking them out or starting over. It's also surprisingly quiet, so I can let it run while I get ready. It saves me so much time and makes cleaning my brushes something I actually keep up with. And now the makeup brushes are done being cleaned. Here's how much water is in the bottom. And I'll take them out and show you what it looks like. There's all the clean brushes. They smell nice and clean. And here's the dirty water that I'll dump out that came out of them. This is a great product. It made cleaning my makeup brushes so much easier. I love it and I know you will too. Go grab yours today.